Fuwa! Hi, I'm San, and today we're going to learn the crab step, also known as the heel toe, and you might have seen it in these dances. Okay, so we're going to start with our feet shoulder width distance apart, both toes pointing forward. Now to go to the right, we're going to pivot on our right heel. So pivot on your right heel stays in place. We're going to go right and back, right and back. Now for our left foot, we're going to pivot on the toes. So when we go to the right, the left foot will go pivot on the toes and back, toes and back. Okay, so putting it together, it'll be on your right heel and your left toe to go towards the right. Okay, so we go right and back and right and back. Okay, now we want to add it with the down bounce. So typically we down bounce when we go to the right, and then we straighten when we come back up. So remember to bend your knees and crunch your body when you go to the right. Okay, let's do it. And right and back. Pivot on the heel and back. Okay, and now we'll do it the inverse side. So to go left, you're going to pivot on your left heel and your right toe. So let's try. Left heel and back. Left heel and back. Then for our right, it'll be on the toes and back and toes and back. So putting it together, we're going to go to the left and back, left and back. Remember to crunch when you're going down. Okay? So if you're going to put it together, you must remember that when you go outwards, your feet should be forming a V shape. And then when you come back to neutral, it's either chopsticks parallel or slightly inwards. Some people have their knees and toes slightly inwards, or you can have it straight. Okay, so let's do it together. Right, center, left, center. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go right and back. Now left, left and back. Right heel and back, left and back. Okay, now let's do it faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, back, left, back, down, and down, and. Okay, now let's try it even faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go down and down and down and down, 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 down. Yeah, so that's the crab. Okay, I hope that helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, leave any comments or questions you have in the comment section below. And I'll see you next time. Ciao!